Put it in your mouth.
All right, folks, the Manhattan. Classic cocktail. If you don't like them, it's probably because you haven't had a good one. As with any cocktail, you want to start with some fresh ice. So a Manhattan is bourbon, and as I said, if you want a good one, use some good bourbon. I usually do about 3 parts bourbon and about 1 part vermouth. So there's the bourbon. Use a good quality vermouth as well. None of that $5 a bottle crap. And then bitters, which I thought I had out here, but I don't. The Pritchards, it's a little bit more herbal than the store-bought stuff you can find regularly. Good dash of bitters. Shake the hell out of it. And then I like a strainer because sometimes you get a little bit of ice bits in there, which is nice. And of course you got to pull your glass out of the freezer for a nice frosty one. Strain that baby into a martini glass. Like this, you can kind of shake some ice out. And then classic garnish is a cherry, maraschino cherry, which I think tastes like embalming fluid. So if you can, get some fancy dancy ones like this. And then I also like an orange zest. It goes nice with a mani. Try to do the zest over the glass so the oils kind of fall into it. Give it a nice little swirl. Plop it in, and you're good to go. Delicious.